How to change dates or times on a Thrifty reservation. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Thrifty car rentals website and go to the FAQs of change or cancel. Here you'll find reservation search tool. Simply click on reservation search tool. After you click on it, it will lead you to this page. Here, enter your confirmation or rental record and then your last name and press on Find Rental. You'll find all the reservations. Then select the reservation you want to change dates or times of. Then you'll find Modify or Change option. Simply click on it. Then select Pickup Date and Time. Select pickup date and time and change as you want. After you've done that, you can update return date and time as well and confirm and submit the changes. And this is how to change dates or times on a Thrifty reservation. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.